Just going to be building a couple of walls today, either side of these steps, using an old reclaimed brick, different shapes and sizes. The first 3 courses up now, just for my layout really. Going to work my way up the steps now. You always want to have a string line set up when you're doing the step building, just so you don't veer off. Little things might catch you out doing it, and always start from the bottom, work your way up. Don't start from the top and work your way down. You just get a lot of problems otherwise. Yeah, so now I've been able to hit this bit of step down here. I carry on my corner. Key for me is just get this corner to finish height, and then I'll just carry on with the main bulk of the steps. But it's only about 12 courses, so not too much. Yeah, when you build corners, I generally don't go out that far with them. Reason being, like, when you're working on your level, especially when these bricks are different shapes and sizes, it can throw off the actual line that you're following. So there's always good practice, keep them as short as you can, and then just run it in on a line. Okay, so I'm about 2 hours into this one. It's going all right. I've got the corner finished. I'll just be going up to the just finishing off the steps there. Not many left. Just had a little load out. Got a mix of that to pour out, and then I'll just finish up then, jointing it later. Right, just finished the first side. Gonna give it a joint in a little bit. Seems a bit wet right now. It's come out pretty nice, I guess. Just a little simple design. Gonna start on this side now. Just the same again. Should get them both done today, I hope. So on day 2 on the job now. I had to finish early yesterday just because the weather was getting bad. The customer decided they want to top the wall off with a brick on edge rather than a stone cap that we were going to do, which is all right. We are struggling on the bricks at the moment because they're reclaimed and they're pretty chipped and bad condition, but we'll do what we can with it. It's going to look good either way. I like working with these bricks, so when you're spreading your beds, when you're doing a brick on edge, always make sure you cut it here, because when you put your next brick down, this mortar doesn't roll up into the brick, pushing it out. Always makes it easier. Now I've got all the wall finished, got this side done today, that side yesterday. Got a brick on edge on. It's come out pretty nice, nice reclaimed brick. Bit of a nightmare to get a good selection of what we had to work with, but it's come out pretty good, I think. Brick on edge is pretty nice. I'm just gonna brush it again in a minute when it dries a bit more. Yeah, and in total this took 2 days to build. So if you're gonna do a job similar to this size, similar material, just allow 2 days. You'd have it done comfortably. Even had time just to give everything a nice wash off and that, make it look nice for the customer. Happy